G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Tuesday, the 22nd of July. And the main story will be this really strong cold front moving through central and southeastern parts of the country on Tuesday. That's going to bring widespread showers, patchy rain, isolated thunderstorms, but also widespread areas of strong to damaging winds, particularly through parts of South Australia, Victoria, and even into the alpine areas of New South Wales as well. And we do have a severe weather video covering all that, so make sure you can check out more details on that. That will also bring showers and storms to eastern New South Wales and much of eastern Queensland as well as it moves into the moisture across eastern Australia, while through central and western parts, high pressure will really dominate the weather there. Well, we'll just see showers about coastal parts of WA and South Australia. Now let's look at all this in more detail. Firstly, in Queensland, you're going to see that trough system moving into the southwest later in the day, and it's going to meet that moisture through northern parts to bring a band of showers, patchy rain, and isolated thunderstorms, pretty much all the way from Weipa all the way down to the New South Wales border. Now, it probably won't reach southeastern Queensland until around Tuesday night into Wednesday, but much of western and central parts of the state are likely to see showers, patchy rain, and isolated thunderstorms. Temperature's pretty warm ahead of it, as you can see, getting up to almost 30 degrees for inland parts, but much cooler behind it, struggling to get even 20 degrees at Birdsville. Further east though, pretty mild and slightly humid through our coastal areas, but they'll remain partly cloudy south of about Mackay. We could see showers and storms further north on coastal areas. And as I mentioned, southeast Queensland, mostly dry on Tuesday, but could see a late shower or storm moving in. New South Wales, similar story, a couple of coastal showers to the east, but they'll be fine most of the day. Again, watching that weather system move in from the west with a band of rain, showers and thunderstorms, strong and gusty winds with that as well, possibly damaging through elevated areas of southeast New South Wales. And because some moderate falls as well through our alpine areas, maybe tending to snow around the highest peaks as well. Pretty cold behind it, as you can see, only 14 in Broken Hill, but high teens to almost 20 ahead of the system, with low 20s for much of the coast. Sydney looking at a partly cloudy day with a late shower and 20 degrees. Canberra could see showers in the afternoon and 15. Moving down into Victoria, a similar story. That front moves in during the morning hours of Tuesday and whips right across the state during the day. Could see moderate to heavy falls on and north of the ranges through Victoria. Only light falls around the Melbourne area, but could be very windy as well. Likely to see damaging wind warnings for our central and eastern ranges, and maybe some of that wind power getting down into the Melbourne area as well. It'll quickly move system, so only lighter falls for the northwest and southern areas, and generally a mild and windy day, but that wind will make it feel a lot colder than it is, with temperatures in the low to mid-teens. Melbourne 15 degrees with showers at times and lots of strong and gusty winds. Moving down into Tasmania, starting off fairly fine on Tuesday morning, but like everywhere else, that system will move in from the west during the afternoon and evening with widespread showers, tending to rain at times across the north and eastern areas, with very strong and gusty winds as well. Temperatures in the mid-teens as well with that widespread rainfall, only probably lighter falls through southern areas. Hobart, 17 degrees with a few showers. Moving into South Australia, I guess see that system moving through in the early morning hours with widespread showers, patchy rain and maybe even a possible shower or storm, with showers following for our coastal areas with cold and gusty winds during the day and the afternoon. Those showers also will extend up into northern parts early in the day, even through Lake Eyre, Murray and up towards the NT border. While down the south will be a cold, wet and windy day. Adelaide looking at 13 degrees with lots of showers and strong and gusty winds. Moving down into WA, much calmer conditions there behind this weather system, but we're still likely to see coastal showers along the west coast and also along the south coast as well. Temperatures in the mid-teens as well, a little bit on the cool side. Perth looking at 16 degrees with a few showers, while further north are quite cool for this time of year. Temperatures in the low 20s, but it will be dry with lots of sunshine. And talking about sunshine, that will be the main story across northern parts of the country. Temperatures in even into the high 20s, even in the Kimberley, so as that cold air is really pushing a fair way north, and only into the teens through southern parts of the NT, looking at 16 or 17 degrees after a cold start. But the only warmth really will be across the top end, with temperatures in the low 20s there, with lots of sunshine, and then those showers could be impacting parts of Cape York. So a lot of weather around the country tomorrow. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website and app, and we'll see you here again tomorrow.